Imagine you're shopping online and suddenly see a pop-up asking for access to your personal information. How often do we simply agree without understanding the implications? Let's explore how retailers exploit this behavior known as default bias. Default bias occurs when people stick with the default option because it requires less effort to make a decision. This behavior is common in various contexts, including retail settings where consumers often grant access to personal information without fully understanding. Online retailers exploit default bias by pre-selecting options that benefit them. For example, setting the default for newsletter subscriptions or access to location data as on makes it more likely that users will not change these settings. This exploitation is further enhanced by the repetition of such practices. Over time, enough repetition can reshape a user's perception, making biased framing feel like natural truth. This is how retailers subtly influence consumer behavior. Default bias also plays a role in financial decisions. For instance, retail investors might overlook issues with Bitcoin due to lack of knowledge, leading them to rely on default choices that could be less optimal. To protect yourself from these biases, it's crucial to actively question the defaults presented. Understand how your data is used and always review pre-selected options before accepting them. In summary, retailers exploit default bias by making choices that require minimal effort from the rack consumer. Awareness of this practice can empower you to make more informed decisions and protect your personal information. Stay vigilant and question those defaults next time you shop online. How do you guard yourself against default bias? Share in the comments below.